As senior engineers, notice it's not a senior developer, you're a senior engineer. As senior engineers, our value is not necessarily on typing more code now. Our value is on knowing what we know. The 10 plus years on random projects and seeing shipping systems go down like on a Friday afternoon because, like, I don't know, somebody updated a database is what we know. Agents don't know that kind of stuff. And yes, eventually they probably will, might, who knows? But right now they don't. They do know a lot of documentation. They do know a lot of best practices. They know a lot of like opinionated flavors, right? But they can also know your opinionated flavor if you tell it in the specific review phase. Like, hey, you have to follow like atomic design with this thing. And whenever you do anything, don't automatically commit and push, right? It loves to do that. Then secondly, we dissect. So having one project, so like often our level is like, cool, we've got a project, we know what tasks are on the board. I'm going to grab a task, I'm going to start working on the task. When that one's done or in QA, I'm going to start the next task, right? And then it's like, oh crap, something's wrong with it. You've got to go back to this other one. You pause that one completely and you start fixing bugs. And then, you know, it's like quite a tedious flow because you're jumping between A and B. Yes, we're context switching, but you're context switching with the intent of contributing, like 100% contributing, like just using autocorrect and stuff, you know, or auto agent, whatever suggestions. The dissection is probably one of the most interesting parts, right? The dissection is the part where you take projects that are completely contrary and work as if you're managing a little team of people. I'm not going to call them junior developers because in my heated discussion on Friday, we deal with a couple of junior developers and you have less conversation with a junior developer than you do with an AI. The code's pretty damn good all the time. If you specify what you want, 9 out of 10, it won't make a mistake. You know, if your documentation's good, it's a small team of people. You're shifting that focus up one level as opposed to, hey, I need to contribute. I need to change the string because it's going to be easier for me to say, hey, change the string, or, you know, to like literally change the string instead of asking AI. But if you've got multiple AIs running at the same time, you can just ask it to change the string. You don't need full focus on everything all at once to know what's busy happening. And then lastly, delegate. So yes, random triplet of terms, direct, dissect, and delegate. Unfortunately, the alliteration played with me on that one. And it's building a rhythm around delegation and reviews, right? So as I said, you're all senior engineers. Our strength is seeing bad code. Our strength is seeing bad integrations. Our strength is seeing bad practice. And we do it every single day. How many PRs has, like, I mean, gosh, average days of PR reviews. The only difference between a PR review and an agent review is you're reviewing it on your local machine as opposed to on Git. And it doesn't have feelings. Well, I don't think it has feelings. I'd still kind of be nice to it just in case. You could delegate the whole task just to get started with it while you're busy on something else.